Guys, I'm going to get set up for paper folding. I have my Charlotte Mason Beehive kit here. I also have their teacher's guide and lesson plans. So what I do is I put a mark here when I've done it. So we are on lesson 5, which is the corner. So what I'm going to do is get it set up here on the table, and then we will teach our lesson. My 10-year-old just goes ahead and gets started because he knows what he's doing. He's already made this one, he told me. You're just here because you're cute. All right, so can you understand what to do from this?
Yeah.
So it wants you to fold it into 4 equal pieces.
Okay.
So you're going to do one fold like this.
Fold it. And then you're going to fold that in half. No, I don't have to fold it.
Yeah, then you open it up.
Finished.
And you're going to fold the other one in half.
Yeah, I already did. Mommy, don't want to.
All right, now they want you to tear down this corner here.
I love it.
So you're supposed to tear it, not
Cut it.
not use scissors. But there you go. You can also use scissors.
No.
And then you're going to fold the 2 pieces together.
Mom.
So you're going to fold this one. Oh, yeah, there you go, on top of that one. And then you're going to put some glue here. You can use the glue stick or the glue that we have. Which one?
I like the glue that we have glue all over.
Yeah. I know, I'm going to make you one. And that's the corner. Here's my corner,
I don't like glue sticks.
which I always give to the baby. You want a corner?
No.
You don't like it? It's for you.
I love my corner.
You want to do it yourself? All right. Want me to make one with that one?
Yeah.
All right. So you fold it like this.
No.
All right, now push it.
Chocolate.
You need chocolate? Oh, we gotta fold it first. Can you push here?
Yeah.
Push. All right. Then we fold it like this. All right. Can you push it? Push. All right. Now you're gonna tear this one here. Let's make sure that it's really creased. You want to tear it? You're just gonna tear right down here.
Why does it want you to tear?
It wants you to learn tearing.
No.
See?
I didn't want to jump.
All right, now we got to put the glue on. Can you put the glue here?
No, I didn't want to jump.
You want to chop? You want me to give you some paper so you can do some cutting? Right here. Now you can chop yours to your heart's
The
content.
kiwi thing. Your kiwi one.
I think Esther threw it on the floor.
Do you need me to put some glue on yours?
All right, what do you guys think of the corner?
Okay. I mean, why do we need a quarter?
It probably is a skill to learn to build something more complicated later on. You can look and see.
Mommy, may I take yours and make a little room?
Yeah.
I mean, technically speaking,
Yeah. The next thing you get to make is a wall pocket.
you don't need a wall pocket. Just make a quarter and then you just do this. Then you have your wall pocket.
Oh, that's cool.
Stop
I like it.
bugging me.
Are you ready, Esther?
Yeah.
What'd you make?
It's a box out of corners.
2 corners.
I like it. What'd you do with your corner?
You could like, it's like a box. Why is it opening? Oh, here we go.
That's what Esther did with her corner.
Yeah, I see. She said she just wanted to chop. So the book says that you're not supposed to use scissors and tearing is a skill learned, but we have been doing paper Sloyd for 4 years now, and they've always used scissors, so I can't get them to actually practice the tearing. You guys want to try it next time?
No!
So that's okay. Scissors are a tool, and we'll just do it wrong in our homeschool, but that's okay. That's kind of what paper Sloyd looks like in our house. It's a little bit of craziness. Usually I am more involved, but since I was trying to film, it felt a little bit more chaotic than it was. Usually I'm sitting there doing it step by step with them, but it's hard to do and film at the same time. So this is a little sneak peek into what it looks like to try a paper folding lesson in real time. And we're in our first week of homeschool here, back from the summer, and we've been sick, so that's been crazy, but hopefully we're gonna get in a good rhythm. So this is our trickle-in week. So what we do is we start by just doing the morning subjects, and then we start adding subjects every day till we trickle in throughout a whole week. But since we've been sick, it might take more than a week. See you guys later. Bye.